Hi everyone, it's Erin Fleming from Keychack Aussies, and the puppies are 2 weeks old today. As you can see, they're starting to learn how to walk. Very clumsy though. Oh my. Their eyes are starting to open. See if I can get it. There's Owl's eyes. Hers are the most open. They can't hear yet though. That'll be a couple more days. Ren's eyes are not open yet, but pretty soon. And I got a puppy under my leg here. Raven. How you doing, Raven? They are certainly getting big. Everybody but Raven is over 2 pounds now. Or, sorry, I mean everybody but Ren. Raven is way over 2 pounds. She is, I think, 2 pounds and 4 ounces. Ren is not far behind though. She is 1 pound 14 ounces, so only a couple ounces to go. We got some puppy pads, so I'm actually sitting on it right now. It's clean, don't worry. But as soon as their eyes start opening and they're start able to move around a little bit better and get to where they want to go potty, they'll hopefully start peeing on the pad. And then once they get older, we can move them to a litter box. And that'll teach them to go potty in a certain area, which will help with housebreaking later. I'll just let you enjoy the puppies now for about a minute. Little Martin here. His little eyeball. Oh, Raven. Alright, Lark. Good girl, Lark. Come on. Come on, Lark. Come on, Lark. Good girl. Yes. Hi, Mama. And this pad here is actually their preferred living area. They have all the rest of this, but as you see, someone just went potty right here. And I think they are not going to want to potty on here. Hopefully they'll start going on the pad. But this has been our 2-week video. I'm going to stand up here so you can see the whole box. And when they get older, we'll take out the pig rails, we'll put up another board up in front so they can't sneak out. And then from there we'll move them to the next pen. That'll be a few more weeks though. Well, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.